This video will focus on how to use the trim command. To activate the trim command, I can select Edit, Trim Break Extend, or I can go to the icons, click on the one that looks like a pair of scissors. The ribbon bar will now pop up with commands specific to trim. We'll get our hint, as we always do in Mastercam. The question mark will open up the help menu to bring you the help menu specific to the trim command. Okay. Over here in the end of the ribbon bar, it reminds us of what command we have active. So let's start with the first option, trim one entity. When trimming in Mastercam, I'm going to trim this line to this one. So if I wish to trim this line where it meets here, I need to first select the line on the side I want to keep, and then I select the entity to trim it to. Okay. So again, I select the line I want to keep and the entity to trim it to. Now we'll look at trim two entities. So I'll activate trim two entities, and trim will extend lines or it will cut them shorter. So as with any trimming command, I select the side of the line I wish to keep in both instances. So I'm using trim to extend. I can also use trim to shorten. Within the trim command, I can also extend a line. I can click on the extend, enter my length, and now select the line near the end I wish it to extend from. So in this case, I've extended both these lines by 0.5. If I wish this one to extend 0.5 to the right, I'll click on it near the right end. Okay. Another very handy command in trim is divide. If I activate the divide command and I come over here, you'll notice what part of the line is leaving. So now I'm going to use the divide to get this shape completed. And before I do that, I'll go back and I'll trim one entity and use that to extend this line across to here. The rest of this can now be trimmed using the divide command. So one more time, I'll look at the shape I need. So I need to trim this line out. Right. None of these lines will extend beyond the lower line, so I can trim all of these out. So I might want to check one more time, what should the shape look like? So this line will need to go. And I've used the divide command to finish my trimming, and when I'm happy, as with any command, I select OK and accept these selections.